Right, ladies and gentlemen. So we got the following markets in the upcoming week. Euro AUD. Kind of like we avoided the loss right here, and it never had to move to the downside. Now AUD CAD. So I'm not going to be interested in this market anymore. We are bullish, but we're at the highest point, and I don't think we're gonna have any significant moves to the upside next week. So I'm good. AUD CAT, I might think that just uncheck all this. Yeah, so Euro AUD not interested anymore. So secondly, AUD CAT, we have a little bit of an area of interest right here, which looks good on a daily time frame. We got support, resistance, kind of support, and yeah, this looks pretty good to me. The weekly time frame. Now it looks okay. We don't have any significant shit right here. Yeah, looks good. Like we could have got good head and shoulders. Well, I think. Oh no, actually no. Yeah, as you can see, like, yeah, I don't know, but it just comes back like weekly bearish, daily bearish for bearish, retesting the EMA, and I actually think that this trade, yeah, this trade can play out again. Hopefully we're gonna come back and retest and have them move to the downside, right? It's literally everything it is. So yeah, I'm interested in this market. Euro USD, weekly time frame, we are having the pullback. 1 week of a rejection we just had. And shit, dude, like Euro USD looks sexy as fuck, bro. For our time frame, looks sexy as fuck as well. Because we just turned bearish if this is the last elbow, right? If we oh my god, this is like almost ready to take already. This is actually crazy, bro. So yeah, I'm really interested in this trade. This is fucking great trade, bro. Weekly EMA, no. Yeah, so use the cat. Just had to move. I don't think I'm interested in this anymore. It's at the highest point. No thanks. AUD USD at the lowest point really on the daily time frame, so it's gonna have to pull back next week. So I'm simply not going to be interested. Again, I just need to ask myself, okay, how high is the probability that the price in the next couple of days just gonna do this and then do this, and the weekly is therefore gonna week into this and then do this. Right there, like it's most likely gonna have a week of a pullback, a proper pullback, and it's just a higher probability, so I'm not gonna be interested in this market. Euro NZD weekly time frame is at the highest point, so I'm not interested really. No, thanks. Then we have Euro GBP, the weekly time frame. We kind of have the lowest point, kind of like a candlestick rejection, and we're coming back to that level of support, really, which we're going to use as resistance, hopefully. However, we still have a lot of time left for that, and I think still has to create like a couple of pullbacks before we go to the downside. So we have to be patient still. I'm gonna set an alert right here, so the weekly could have. Yeah, I just got an email that I'm gonna get, which is amazing. Now, bro, Euro GBP. Yeah, daily time frame is also cool. Weekly time frame is cool. Daily time frame. Yeah, so we're waiting for pullback. Weekly time frame looks okay. how high is the probability that we're gonna wake into here down? It's a little bit less when you look at the weekly time frame. However, I really like the daily in the 4 hour. I would go with the daily in the 4 hour because we already have a strong pullback and yeah, it just looks good, right? Could fill the wick. NZD CAD weekly time frame. We currently have the pullback to the EMA. We have a 1 week of pullback, 1 week of rejection. They haven't created a wick, which is crazy. So next week we could potentially fill that wick on the weekly time frame. Then also, if I look at this time frame right here, I can just see that we have a bullish trend, and now we broke the bullish trend again. Now closing below here, this is the new lower high, new lower low, and we rejected the EMA, and we have a doji candlestick, and also we have kind of like a is this a head and shoulders? I don't fucking know, bro. It actually looks a little bit like a head and shoulders. Uh, oh, dude, should I actually go live on YouTube right now? I think I should go live on YouTube, bro. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, let me go live next week or something, bro. Like, I don't fucking care. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. So we got NZD Cat and yeah, I mean essentially NZD Cat. I mean, it looks good. It looks pretty good, bro. It looks pretty good. Weekly time frame. Did I actually look at the weekly? Yeah. So we said it's gonna fill that week, and the daily time frame is going is created that doji candlestick rejection, and the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, could it be like a head and shoulders if I just draw that shit in? I don't know if this could be a head and nah, fuck this. But this could be head and shoulders, right? Like this could left head and then right shoulder, kind of like retesting that shit. So yeah, it could be, but I don't want to be 100% sure about it. I still like this trade, bro, because we are at the long. Yeah, it's a cool trade. I like this more than EUR though. So now CAD JPY. Look at this. We won this trade. Fucking hell, bro. So now, what I would say is, we are bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Okay, we're bearish on this time frame. Lowest point, daily had to pull back, had to push lowest point. 4 hour, kind of like at the support level. You don't want to be trading right here. It's kind of like choppy on the 4 hour, to be honest. And what's gonna happen next week, bro? Like I think it's probably gonna have a larger pullback, hopefully, or it's gonna have like a push here, and then I would sell if it would come back like to like if it would have a push down here, bro, like this, then I would be interested in. But otherwise, I'm not gonna be interested in it. The weekly could have a pullback though, so I'm not really brought into that. So I'm just simply not interested in this market this week. That's okay. We have other markets to trade. Same shit right here. Oh, now we already looked at this. NZD JPY, it's kind of like the same shit. Just waiting for the pullback really. Nothing big, nothing special. But I would say actually daily, weekly, daily for yeah, do you want to trade right now? Like previous structure point of the 4 hour, previous structure point in the daily time frame. Like it is okay trade, right? Like it's not bad. So yeah, I'm interested, bro. Fuck this. NZD USD weekly time frame. We are currently this looks amazing, man. We just rejected this kind of like support level right here, as you can see. Kind of like rejected right here, which is amazing. And now the daily time frame kind of like created this inverted left head, right shoulder, which we are rejecting right now. As you can see, if I just would draw that in left head, right shoulder, right? This would be, yeah, but not really. So yeah, weekly is at the, had to push already, kind of like at the lowest point, just the support level. I don't think I'm interested in it. I don't think I'm 4 hour time frame. I don't know, man. I don't know. So yeah, like this could be like a good area of interest right here on a daily time frame. So if we come back right here, then I would take the trade, right? This is what I would trade. Like I would trade this pullback until here to then sell. And I think the weekly like has a lot of more like a lot more potential to the downside. So I'm gonna set an alert right here. If I draw it out to the left, it has even more touches. So yeah, this is a good trade. I like NZD USD. USD JPY weekly time frame currently. Ah, and this is actually also something I wanted to talk about. USD CHF is a trade that my mentor took this week on a daily time frame. He entered this trade like somewhat around here, I think, or here. And he traded his head and shoulders. I don't know, I don't fucking know why. But it is how it is. So the weekly time frame right now on UCJPY, pretty bearish. Then we're having pullback. Time frame, we're currently having a lot of doji candlestick rejections. I would say that we could still buy this market. The 4 hour looks like it shifted. Right here, we're kind of like having a pullback to this level of resistance. Now, I would currently just would be waiting for a shift of structure, which is with what we're already having, kind of like. Which one looks cleanest? That's the question. So I would say that the 50-minute is the cleanest, but in order to take it straight, we would have to wait for like a little let me see, like if we draw in like this level of resistance and support, then this is the resistance, and then you can take a trade as soon as we break and retest above this and take the trade to the upside. Then this is a good trade, daily time frame. Yeah, since we're at the lowest point, I think this is a good trade, bro. Like, could pretty much fill this week, next week. However, like the weekly time frame is gonna have a pullback, so yeah, we just have to wait for a retest, break, retest, and to then buy. We wouldn't buy or directly right now. Because this is gonna have a little bit of a downwards movement to then head to the upside. Yeah, this is pretty much a no-brainer, bro. Like, look at the 1 hour. We got support, resistance, kind of like so right here. This looks good, man. This looks good. This looks good. This looks very, very, very good. I love it, bro. So we got resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance. Yeah, so this is a good trade, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. USDJPY. Yep. Now GBP NZD highest point. I don't think I'm gonna be interested in this one, bro. This is very, very easy decision. GBP CAT is at the highest point as well, and weekly time frame, yeah, highest point, highest point, highest point. Yeah, thanks. GBP USD weekly time frame, currently just having a weekly candlestick rejection. This looks actually quite perfect. Retest of the last structure point right here. Daily time frame is bullish though, so I have to be careful. So honestly, the best thing that we could have is we need 2 time frames in sync, so I need to wait for the day, which I think is gonna take a little bit longer. So yeah, I think I'm not gonna be interested. We have other markets, bro. We don't have to wait for that. And UCCHF, I think I'm just simply interested in because Alex just said it still has downside potential to this point right here. So I'm gonna be interested in it. AUJPY, no thanks. It's the same than other pairs. Lowest point. GBP CHF, choppy as fuck. We don't need to trade this. This just we don't need that. GBP JPY. Current weekly time frame. We are bearish. We have to pull back a little bit. I think it's gonna have a larger pullback though. And it just doesn't look as clean as I wanted to. So yeah, not interested. And then Euro JPY, same shit. Don't need to trade this. But but wait. I kind of like had to move already, right? Yeah, so fuck it. We just have these markets this week. AUD cat, retest, sell. Let me do it from the daily. So AUD cat, retested and sell. Euro USD, retest, sell. This is actually quicker than the other one. Let me organize them by importance or how fast they happen. Euro USD is fastest, AUD cat. Okay, so I've just organized them by importance. Definitely my favorite pair this week gonna be a USD JPY, I think. For sure, man, for sure. Definitely USD JPY. I like this the most. USD CHF also, I think, because Alex is in it. So that's it for this week. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this week, man. Very straightforward.